You wake up, grab a quick breakfast, maybe toast, maybe nothing. Like, so lunch is whatever's easiest. Dinner, something filling. And at the end of the day, you sit there thinking, I ate today. So why do I still feel low on energy? Or worse, you're trying to eat healthy, but you're confused. One day carbs are bad. The next day they're essential. Protein is important, but how much? Vegetables are good, but how many? Gail, if that sounds like you're not alone. The truth is, most people aren't unhealthy because they don't care. They're unhealthy because they're overwhelmed. And today, I'm going to simplify everything. We're breaking down the 4 food groups, what they actually are, how much you really need daily, and how to build a diet that works without overthinking it. Here's what most people don't realize. Healthy eating isn't about cutting out entire food groups. It's about balance. In fact, according to dietary data from health organizations like Health Canada and the USDA, over 80% of adults don't meet the recommended intake for key food groups, especially vegetables and whole grains. That means even people trying to eat well are missing the mark. So let's fix that. Are the 4 food groups simplified? Think of your diet like building a house. Each food group is a different part of the structure. Remove one, and things start to fall apart. Fruits and vegetables, your foundation. This is the most important group, and also the most ignored. You should be aiming for about 7 to 10 servings per day. Now, before you panic, a serving is smaller than you think. 1 cup of leafy greens, 1 medium fruit, 1/2 cup of cooked vegetables. That's it. Now, you might be thinking, there's no way I can eat 10 servings a day. But here's the trick. Spread it out. Add fruit to breakfast, vegetables at lunch, side salad at dinner, a smoothie as a snack. Suddenly, it's doable. And this is where it gets really interesting. Studies show that people who eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily reduce their risk of heart disease by up to 20%. Not 100%, not perfection, just 5 servings. Protein, your repair system. Protein is what your body uses to repair and build muscle, skin, even hormones. Most people either eat way too little or obsess and overdo it. A good general guideline is 0.8 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. So if you weigh 70 kilograms, about 154 pounds, that's roughly 56 to 84 grams of protein daily. Examples: chicken breast, 100 grams equals approximately 31 grams of protein. Eggs, 2, equals approximately 12 grams of protein. Greek yogurt equals approximately 10 grams of protein. Now, here's what most people don't realize. You don't need massive protein shakes or extreme diets, just consistent intake across meals. Think of protein like charging your phone throughout the day, not all at once. Whole grains, your energy source. Carbs have gotten a bad reputation, but the problem isn't carbs, it's refined carbs. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, whole wheat bread. These provide steady, long-lasting energy. You should aim for about 3 to 6 servings per day, depending on your activity level. Now, you might be thinking, but don't carbs make you gain weight? Here's the truth. Overeating calories causes weight gain, not carbs themselves. In fact, people who eat whole grains regularly tend to have lower body weight and better metabolic health compared to those who avoid them completely. Dairy or alternatives, your support system. This group provides calcium, vitamin D, and other nutrients important for bone health. Aim for about 2 to 3 servings per day. Examples: 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup yogurt. fortified plant-based alternatives, and if you don't consume dairy, that's completely fine. Just make sure you're getting those nutrients from other sources. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. You don't need to memorize numbers or track every gram. Instead, use this simple visual rule. Fill your plate like this. Half high fruits and vegetables, 1/4, protein, 1/4, whole grains, add a side of dairy or alternative. That's it. No complicated math, no stress. Here's the part nobody talks about. People don't fail because they lack discipline. They fail because they aim for perfection. They try to completely change their diet overnight. But sustainable health doesn't come from extreme changes. It comes from small, consistent improvements. Swap white bread for whole grain. Add 1 extra vegetable a day. Include protein in breakfast. The small changes compound over time. So if you've been feeling confused about what to eat, here's your takeaway. You don't need a complicated diet. You don't need to eliminate entire food groups. You just need balance. Guys, focus on the 4 food groups, like fruits and vegetables, protein, whole grains, dairy, or alternatives, and build your meals around them. Because at the end of the day, healthy eating isn't about restriction. It's about giving your body what it actually needs. If this helps simplify things for you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want, comment below. What's the one food group you struggle with the most? Because once you understand this, everything about nutrition becomes a lot easier.